5 little sharks went out to play in the ocean blue, where the fishies stay. Swish and swirl, they wiggled away. One swam off to find some prey. Chomp, chomp, splash, splash, where's that sharky in a flash? Chomp, chomp, splash, splash, 4 little sharks came swimming back. 4 little sharks had a bubbly race, blowing big bubbles all over the place. One got lost in the coral maze, gone so long for many days. Chomp, chomp, splash, splash, where's that sharky in a flash? Chomp, chomp, splash, splash, 3 little sharks came swimming back. Down in the deep where the seaweed grows, where the mystery currents and the water flows, the sharks keep playing and it's quite the show. Will they come back? Nobody knows.